What's going on, everyone? Tosh coming at you guys with a quick video. Now this is the accessories I was supposed to get with my bundle package for the S22 Ultra. Finally came in. My favorite case. Love the look that it has on the cameras and the feel of the Kevlar design. I'll have that video linked down below if you want to go ahead and check that video out. But it's not a very super protective case. As you can see, the tops are exposed and the bottoms are exposed. It's very thin, sleek case. So this kind of will give me a little more protection if I choose to have a case to have a little more protection. Let's just stop talking about it. Let's get right into it. Alright, so like I was saying, it should be two of the same cases. So let's see what we got. It says one. I'm missing them. So I only got one case, but we got the silicone cover with a strap. So obviously you can see it is like the navy blue with the highlighter orange strap. This isn't the one I really wanted. The one I kind of liked the most was the white one with the highlighter green color strap. This hasn't been the greatest experience with Samsung's latest drop, with the delay on the phone, now a delay on the accessories, and on top of that I'm still missing another case. So anyways, here we are with the silicone cover with a strap, navy blue with the orange strap, obviously made by Samsung, so we know everything will fit perfect. Alright, so first look right now, I can tell it's not coming through the camera, but the orange is a lot more of like a construction style orange than what might be showing on the video. It looks a little more like yellowish orange on the video from what I'm looking at, which isn't bad. I actually kind of like it. Get some instructions on how to install, and that's it. Just the casing holding that. So here we are with the case. Now, the one thing I did notice that was a little weird was this guy right here. I didn't know why you would want a thick metal thing on here with the strap. I figured you would want it like a little more sleek than that, but I guess you could hook this to something. I don't know. I haven't really seen anybody utilize this case in any videos as far as like what this is for, or even just using it. I mean, really the whole concept is you're supposed to be able to just stick your hands in here and then just have the phone like this. We'll test it out. Let's just put it on the phone. As we all know, my favorite case. I don't really need any strap. I like my phones to feel like it has no case on it. So if you haven't seen the video either, I'll link that as well down below. I do have a leather skin on my phone, so the cases do fit a little more snug. DBRAND's premium authentic leather skin. If you don't have a skin on your phone, I highly recommend getting one, even if you got a case. I always put camera in first and then snap the rest in. First impressions of the feel. Now I do like this feel of the silicone. It does feel nice. It has a nice texture, real smooth, but it has a grippy feel to it. Not like slippery smooth, but texture smooth. Has a nice grip and feel to it. I like it. Edges feel nice and snug. These aren't peeling off. Doesn't feel like it's flopping off. Sits on the buttons real nice. Buttons click real nice and easy. Obviously, it being an official case from Samsung, all the cutouts will be perfectly formed for where they need to be. You got the USB-C speaker grill, S Pen, easy to click. Gotta get your finger in there a little bit, but very easy to pull out, put back in. There is a way to take this strap off, so if you take this case off, I don't know why you would want to do that. You might as well just go buy the case that doesn't have a strap, but yeah, you can essentially take this off and rock it without this. The only thing that doesn't make sense why you'd want to do that, you're just going to be left with these holes and this little slit right here. Wouldn't recommend it, but you know, if you don't like that strap and you want to rock this case, this is what it looks like without the strap. It just says Samsung on it. Covers the camera lenses nicely, perfectly actually. So it's very easy to put the strap back on. If you want to put it back on, you just go ahead and slide it right through the bottom strap there, pull it through, feed it right through the other thing here, have it come through, snap it in place. Now it does have two slots here, so if you want to make it a little more looser or tighter, you can go ahead and do that by, you know, popping it in on the bottom slot to make it a little more loose, just like that. So as you can see, and it gives you just a little more slack if your hands are bigger. See the thickness of this case compared to like the phone itself with my actual case. So I got the phone and the later case on it, and it's still thinner than what this case is over here. It's gonna be thicker for sure, not by much, but it definitely will be thicker. So here we are with the second package that I've been waiting for from Samsung that was supposed to be here a month or so ago, but we should have in here And there we are, the silicone cover with the strap. Now this is the white colorway with the green strap. Now this is the only one that I really liked out of the Samsung lineup of cases. Didn't know how I would feel about this strap. So again, in camera, this green looks lighter than what it really is. A little bit darker than what it looks like on camera, but it's still like that bright green for sure. And then again, you get this buckle, just like the last one on that little strap right there. It says Samsung. Of course, you got the individual cutouts for the camera lenses, the buttons, pop the corners in. Make sure everything fits flush. And here we are, S22 Ultra, white case, highlighter green strap, covers individual lenses, which I like. My impressions on these cases, the things that I like about it. I do like that they are form-fitting, so it isn't a super bulky case. It's very form-fitted, as you can see. They have cutouts for the lenses, fits real snug on the phone, doesn't add too much bulk considering some of the other cases out there. As you can see, gives you a little bit more lip action there, so that way when you put your phone face down, you'll have a little more protection, so that's good. I like that. The buttons feel real nice and clicky and responsive, no issues there. All the ports are easily accessible. Grabbing the S Pen will be very easily accessible. All those aspects are good. High quality case. It's got a high quality strap here. This doesn't feel flimsy. This isn't ripping. Will definitely hold anybody's hands. I mean, if you got massive hands, you might be able to only fit 2 fingers rather than 3 fingers. Again, you can adjust it to be 1 level bigger, but it fits real snug. I do like that, but some of my downfalls with this case on why it probably won't be a case that I wear a lot is, one, I don't like this right here. I don't like how bulky this is. It's just another bulky piece that's gonna be sitting in my pocket. I'm gonna feel it rubbing or pressing up against my leg. I don't like that. Again, this is probably something to like hang on your belt buckle, but I'm not hanging my phone like this on my belt buckle. Sorry, it's not something I'm doing. Another thing I don't like about this case that I see as a thing that would kind of irritate me, it's a lint magnet. It might be hard to see, but you can already see there's just dog hairs already sticking to the case, and I haven't even put this in my pocket yet. We literally just took it out of the packaging. I mean, granted, that's because I got dogs and hairs everywhere, but I can just imagine this case along with the blue one that I've already noticed. It's just gonna pick up a lot of lint. As you can see, we got some lint already sitting on it. It's gonna be a lint magnet. Those are really kind of only 2 things I don't like about this case. Other than that, I do like the concept of a case. Like I said, I do like the individual lenses being cut out. Looks real nice. I think every case should do that. And I do like the concept of the strap. Rather than having like a annoying pop socket, I think this is a pretty cool alternative to the concept of it, you know, being able to hold your phone whether you're laying in bed. I can see myself liking this. I can recommend them. They're not bad cases if you can get over the gripes that I spoke about. Other than that, they are good quality cases. This will definitely protect your phone. Like I said, you get all the basic protections. The later case will still be my daily. This is my favorite case. I've been rocking it with all my phones, but I do like the concept Samsung has going on. Hopefully they just evolve this case to be a little bit more refined. Other than that, that's gonna do it for this video. If you want to check out some more content on the later case or my first impressions on the S22 Ultra with the unboxing, I'll have that video linked down below. Also, I will have some setting optimizations for the S22 Ultra. I did a video on that. That will be linked down below as well. And other than that, I'll catch y'all in the next video. Y'all stay nerdy. Peace.